In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove photos from locked folder in Google Photos. If you've stored private images in your locked folder and now want to take one or more of them out, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your desktop or laptop without any confusion. To begin, open Google Photos on your computer. Make sure you're using the account where your locked folder is set up, since this feature is tied to your Google Photos account and protected for privacy. Starting on a desktop or laptop makes it easier to see the full layout and find the options you need. Once Google Photos is open, go to the Collections section. From there, look for the locked folder. This is where Google stores items you've intentionally hidden from your main photo library. Since the folder is designed for sensitive content, it won't behave like a normal album, so don't worry if it takes an extra click or two to get in. When you open the locked folder, Google Photos will require you to log into your account again for security purposes. This is completely normal. It's an added layer of protection to make sure only you can access those photos. Go ahead and complete the login prompt so the folder can be unlocked. If you're sharing a computer or using a device in a public space, this security check is especially useful. After you successfully log in, you'll be able to access the contents of your locked folder. Take a moment here to locate the specific photo you want to remove. If you have several items saved, it can help to scan carefully before selecting anything, just to make sure you're moving the correct photo out of the folder. Next, select the photo you want to remove. After selecting it, press the Move button at the top of the locked folder. This action removes the photo from the locked folder and returns it to your regular Google Photos library, where it can appear alongside your other images, again, depending on your settings and timeline. That's all it takes. Open Google Photos, go to Collections, find the locked folder, log in for security, access your photos, select the image you want, and use the Move option to remove it from the locked folder. If you're moving multiple photos, just be extra careful before confirming so you only take out the ones you actually want to restore to your main library. And that's how to remove photos from locked folder in Google Photos.